Need to supercharge your Dell PowerEdge R660? This NEMIX RAM kit might just be the answer. We're talking a massive 4 TB of DDR5 ECC RDIMM server memory. That's 16 256 GB sticks, humming along at 5,600 MHz. NEMIX RAM isn't just some random brand. They specialize in enterprise-grade memory. They know their stuff when it comes to servers and workstations. This kit is specifically designed for demanding environments, and it shows. The key here is the ECC RDIMM, or Error-Correcting Code Registered DIMM. This is crucial for servers because it detects and corrects memory errors on the fly. This prevents crashes and data corruption, which is a lifesaver when you're dealing with critical applications. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading, and they're right. Of course, always check your server's manual, but generally, it's a simple plug-and-play process. The performance boost is undeniable. With 4 TB of RAM, your server can handle massive datasets, run multiple virtual machines without breaking a sweat, and power through demanding AI workloads. The 5,600 MHz speed ensures that data is transferred quickly and efficiently. The CL46 latency is decent for this type of memory, striking a good balance between speed and stability. This NEMIX RAM kit isn't cheap, but it's an investment in your server's performance and reliability. The lifetime replacement warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that NEMIX RAM stands behind their product. Plus, their IT support team is there to help if you run into any issues. If you're looking to maximize the performance of your Dell PowerEdge R660, this NEMIX RAM 4 TB kit is a serious contender. It's a powerful, reliable, and well-supported upgrade that can transform your server into a true workhorse. It's a premium option, but the performance gains and peace of mind make it worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.